eruptions at Sicily's Mount Ätna blew volcanic ash up to 4,000 meters into the air on Monday night. Malta's photographers capturing spectacular images of the volcano's red plume glowering in Malta's night sky. Volcanic research centers reported an eruption at 8:21 p.m., with fallout reaching the village of Flari, province of Catania. A volcanic ash plume rose high into the air and began moving south at a speed of 15 knots, according to an observatory in Toulouse, France. Nobody was injured in the explosion. The volcanic activity could be seen from Malta and led to some spectacular night imagery, as photos posted to Facebook show. Photographers Daniel Cilia, Victor Vela and Franco Aloisio were among those who shared photos they took of the towering volcano, which is around 210 kilometers away from Malta, glowing red in the night sky.